Good morning everybody. What an amazing day today for cycling. It's a bit too hot, but it's lovely. It's lovely. No raining. So as I said yesterday, this is gonna be the first mile all up the hill, but what can we do? It's been a good night. It's quite stinky. I think it's like full of shit cows. There's a cow field, and yeah, so that's what I got last night. Anyway, it's been lovely. Let's have a good day today and see. Got a lot of climb today, probably more than yesterday, so I don't know if I do 100k, but yeah, happy days. Today I'm massively tired. I can feel no energy in my legs at all. Just no dinner last night, no breakfast this morning, so here we go. Hi folks, today I'm really struggling. I have no energy at all. I didn't have any dinner last night, breakfast. I just had to cycling 10k to get some breakfast, omelette. It was good. It's good rest, but I can feel it. I mean, I just cycling like a couple of miles and totally no energy, off power. Power is switch off today. Said I will stop in Settle today. Probably I will cycle, I don't know, 50k, 50k. I'm really struggling today. I need a proper rest after a very long week work and jumping on a saddle and just smash mountain pass and too many up and down, uphill, down, too much. Good morning guys, good evening actually. I made to the campsite. Today was very hard, very challenging. A lot of hills, a lot of climbs. So yeah, caught this campsite next to Settle, a little town in the middle of the national park. And I'm actually show you now. It's just right there. Just there, Settle. Now tomorrow I'm gonna heading north. The road this way up here, and probably here, big climb over here, and then here, and we go up north. So yeah, so it's a big mountain pass, a lot of climbs tomorrow as well. I don't know, today I managed to make 50k, so I'll see tomorrow how I feel, but I'm very positive, getting some good rest tonight, so yeah, good food, good rest. There's a semi-final champions, and England against Croatia. That was crazy there, so I left, but yeah, happy day, so have a good night, see you later.